Hey guys, this is Tested Trust Reviews You Can Trust, and today we actually got a new tool to our shop, and it's the ACROPOW Rotary drill from Amazon. This little bad boy uses DeWalt batteries, as you can see. This is a power stack DeWalt battery. It does come with a reverse and forward button here. Adjustable handle. You can move it around. It also comes with a ruler that you can actually adjust it right here in case you have the need to use a ruler while drilling your holes. It has different functions. You just got to press here and then you can switch it from drilling and hammer drill, chisel, hammer drill only, or chisel only. So guys, what does it come in the box? You do get a bag. You do get a couple bits on it. And you do get a ruler guide that you can attach it to your drill. And this thing, let me tell you, this thing is fantastic. It is a really good quality. Like I say, it's brushless motors. It does use DeWalt battery. But what we actually waiting for is, can this be as tough as their competitors? Can this be as tough as DeWalt drills? Well, we're about to find out. We're going to take it to a real test. So stay tuned. We're actually going to bring you a real test video to see how this little bad boy performs on the job site. Well, guys, as I promised, I was going to bring to you the ACROPOW brushless motor, a real test on the job site. So we're about to hit this stone. It's a solid stone, to see how deep it can go. So keep it tuned. We're about to see and we're about to find out. Okay, now we're testing the rulers, guys. So as you can see, it went in. So as you can see, guys, this little thing went in about 2.5 inches. We're about to test it right now in this piece of wood, and we're about to test the bolt in. So guys, you can't go wrong with this drill. It is a good quality all around drill, made of really good materials all around. It is brushless. It does work with DeWalt battery as well. It has reverse and forward, and it also has 4 different modes that you can switch from. So I will be leaving the link in the description above. And if you like videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.